Now I'll show you how to prepare the bhaji for the winter. My mom is cleaning the bhaji and my dad is also helping to clean the bhaji. And I have pepper from last year. And we'll cook the bhaji and put it in the freezer. And when we're ready, we can just take it out and add shrimps and just fry it up for a few minutes and it's ready to eat. The oil is hot. I'm gonna add the garlic. Now add the onion and pepper. Daddy's working very hard. Now I'll add the bhaji. And I'm going to cover this and let it wilt. Daddy, this is the only bhaji they used to use for when you do jandi, right?
Yeah.
Or wedding.
Yeah.
And it's so tasty.
Very tasty.
You have to sit and clean it. It takes a bit of time, but
No,
it
it
tastes
is-
really good. Yeah, you have a lot of help back
Lot
home.
of help back home.
This smells good already. Now I'll add some salt. And we'll cover this and continue cooking. When you cook the bhaji and you put it in the freezer to store for the winter, it takes less space, and also when you're ready to cook, it's less time and it tastes as fresh as you pick it. This is almost done.
too, man.
Daddy can work really, really fast.
Oh my God, I can't believe
We
it.
should give him all the work to do.
It's a third bowl with that thing.
Oh my
Wow.
God, Daddy need a...
Need a rest now.
I know, we need a break. Now I'm going to leave the lid off and continue cooking. Daddy, look up now. Look up now. Look up now.
The best dad.
Of course.
Oh boy.
This is almost done. And this is finished. Now I'll fry the next batch. Now I'll cover this and let it wilt, and then I'll add more bhaji. Now I'll add more bhaji. I'll cover this and let it wilt. Now add salt. And we'll continue cooking. Try a piece. It's break time.
Italian chicken.
Now my mom is chipping the marsa and the purple callaloo. And I finish cooking all of the bhaji. Now we'll leave the bhaji to cool down and then we will bag them off and put them in the freezer. And you can eat this bhaji just like that. It's really delicious. Here is my marsa, purple, and chori bhaji. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.